But with the captain's tankard in hand, steady and grand, prepare to dry brush possible with a shaky hand. Prepare your brush, a tool so slight, a touch of paint, nice and bright, dry as a whisper, almost bare, for it's the highlights you must care. Dip your bristles in colors bright, but wipe away the heavy blight on a cloth of paper thin, until the pigment's barely seen. Now with a gentle sweeping stroke, bring out the details, let them evoke. Round the rim where shadows play, let the golden light stay on wooden grain or metal smite. Catch the edges, make them bright. The captain's tankard, strong and bold, now shines with tales of old. Layer on, but layer light, add a touch where it feels right. From base to top, a pirate's prize. In your hands it comes alive. The captain's tankard, strong and bold, now shines with tales of old. On wooden grain or metal smite, catch the edges, make them bright. The captain's tankard, strong and bold, now shines with tales of old. Oh, 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 now shines with tales of old. Oh, layer on, but layer light, add a touch where it feels right. From base to top, a pirate's prize. In your hands it comes alive. The dice will roll, a clack to a clang, in a tankard touched by the fates where songs once rang.